Some people will hate me for what I'm about to expose in this video. As you are wasting your data watching celebrities online, some people are using them to make money and they don't want you to know. I just found out the new way that people are now using to make money with celebrities. I'll use Pella as an example because Pella was the person that I used for my own. And in case you think I'm lying, I'm going to be showing you guys evidence and how much I made in this video. First of all, let me break it down for you so that you understand. I just realized that there's a new way people are now using to make money on TikTok without even making videos or showing your face or even going live and shouting tap tap tap. And you must have seen those TikTok accounts that the only thing they do is repost Pella's live video. They just screen record Pella's live video and then repost it. And you think they're not making money from it. You think they're doing it for no reason. These people are making a lot of money. I know you're wondering, how did they make money on TikTok by posting videos when TikTok is not monetized in Nigeria? Let me tell you what they do. And this one is still number one. Oh, there are 3 ways they make money. This one is still number 1. They will create an account on TikTok as a blog and they will start posting Pella's live video. And TikTok, in a monetized account, TikTok pay $1 for every 1,000 views you get. That means if they get 20,000 views, they get $20. 100k views, $100. 1 million views, $1,000. You know how much $1,000 is in Naira? 1.something million that I'm making just from reposting Pella's live video. Now let me tell you how they do it and get paid. First of all, they will create a UK account. You know TikTok, you can only monetize UK and US. But the thing about TikTok is you can actually trick them. Yes, you can trick TikTok. You can create a UK account from anywhere you are in the world and it will be showing UK account. That account, you can monetize it and use it to make money. So they will create this UK account with a random name, maybe their name. And they will, you must not name it Pella, because if you name it Pella, TikTok will know that you are using a fake account, that you are not the one on that video, and they will take the account down. They will ban the account. What they do is they will create the account and make it look like a blog. Yaba Left, Post Nigeria, all those kind of accounts. Just create it with your own name and make it look like a blog so that TikTok will see that it's a brand. They will now push it more to the For You page and suggest it to people. Now after this, what they just have to do is whenever Pella is live, they will just screen record the live and post multiple videos. I know that people like Pella well. Anytime they see Pella live, they must watch. Pella's live is always going viral, massive viral. And like I said earlier in this video, I'll be showing you guys my own evidence. I did it. My account, in fact, my account got to 10,000 followers before 24 hours. I will show you the evidence. So watch this video to the end. Now number 2, the second way they use to make money on TikTok. And also, in case you don't know how to create a UK account, you can message the number on the screen to get your own UK account. I also got mine from them, but it's not free. They charge 5k, but nothing good comes easily. I know 5k is a big amount for some people, but considering the amount of money you'll be making from this account, you know that 5k is too small. Once you make payments, you send them your email address. They will use it to create the TikTok account for you. It won't even take like 5 minutes. They have created the account for you. You can now log in and change the password. You can change the email. You can now edit it, put your profile picture and your name, everything. And the second way that they use this UK account to make money is by going live. Now this one, you don't have to show your face, don't worry. You don't have to go live and shout tap tap tap. You don't have to show your face. Here is how to do it. When you go to your TikTok, you will see a plus button. Click on the button, you will see live video. Just go to the end, you will see live video. And under live video on your account, you will see device camera, mobile gaming, and the other one is studio. Then that mobile gaming is the one that you click. Once you click on mobile gaming, select the game that you want to play. You are not going to play game, don't worry, you are not going to play the game. Select the game. If it's chain together, I selected chain together. Once you select the game, put your title. You can put support with a gift or any title. Then go live. Once you press record, it will start recording your phone screen. So what you do is just go to YouTube and search chain together. Once you search it on YouTube, you will see long videos that people that played the game and posted it on YouTube. You see long videos of interesting chain together game. Just click on the video and keep your phone. Once the video is playing on your phone, you are automatically streaming it on TikTok. Now once you do this, TikTok will start suggesting your live to people. And once you get a lot of viewers, you probably get a lot of gifts. That's the second way. Now the third one, the final one, once you start getting views on your page, automatically upcoming musicians will message you for promotion. Brand will message you for promotion. They will be messaging you. Sometimes you see this account, they will post music promotion, they will post videos under someone's sound. Upcoming musicians will message you for promotion. If they don't message you, you message them. Look for musicians, message them and tell them that yes, you do promo, and if they see that you have a lot of views on your account, they will pay you for promotion. There are so many other ways you can make money on a UK account. You know, Nigerian account is only from gifts and subscription you can make money, but UK account you can make money from marketplace, from creator studio, you know, music. There are so many things. Create your UK account and start making money from TikTok. If you are watching this video, start working immediately so that you'll be among the first people that will start this thing. You'll be among the first people that will do it and gain from it. It's not when it casts now everybody has started doing it. Start it now so that you'll be among the first people. It never took cast. You know, I'm not stingy. Anytime any other updates like this drop, I'll still bring it for you guys. So subscribe, and for my own evidence, the one that I say I will be showing you guys, let me show you so that people will not say I'm lying. Let me show you the one that I did with my own blog account, UK account that I got. So this was my own account. Immediately I got the account, I went to YouTube and downloaded Pella's YouTube video and then started posting the clips on the account. And that same night, the account started growing massively. You can see how the notifications are rushing in from 4K to 9K followers in no time. And I monetized the account in that night and they accepted it. Once I post my next video now, my money will be calculated there. I will be seeing my money in this dashboard. And I'll be giving you guys updates on how much they paid me and everything.